In the absence of predators and an abundant food source on the ground, New Zealand's animals have developed certain characteristics over millions of years, including giganticism like the moa, which got really, really big. Flightlessness like the kakapo and many other New Zealand birds that cannot fly. Slow breeding, only having 1 or 2 chicks at a time. And drab coloration, dull coloured feathers. The takahe is an example of an endemic bird found nowhere else in the world. It has evolved in complete isolation. Unlike the pukeko, which is native and found in other parts of the world, it was not introduced by people but found its own way to New Zealand. At first glance, they look pretty similar, but they are actually quite different. The pukeko was thriving while the takahe was presumed extinct until the 1950s. This bird was rediscovered by explorers in a remote region in Fiordland. It now only exists on offshore islands, including our very own Tiritirematangi Island. The takahe is 3 times bigger than the pukeko, which is an example of giganticism. The takahe is flightless, while the pukeko is able to fly. The takahe is long-lived but late to breed and only raise 1 or 2 chicks at a time. Pukeko don't live as long but breed much younger and can raise several chicks at a time. Why do you think that one bird is thriving while the other is critically endangered?